Here we are, y'all. We here. Wait, y'all. I just threw that thing up here. I gotta chop this stuff up. I gotta blend that cheese. Okay, y'all. Where my knife at? Please don't. It's not in front of me. I really don't like using her because it's not hard to clean, but you know it's a method that you have to clean cast iron. I had did that video haven't came out. I did some crispy pork belly and I used this. And I'm gonna be honest, y'all. And I did that video. What today? Friday. I did it Wednesday. Don't you know I didn't clean this? The people voted spicy creamy spinach dip. Did I put dip on the poll? So we're gonna start with 2 peppers. So we gotta kind of saute these vegetables a little bit. I know sometimes, baby, this world can get tough. What is all this? I just look like. Yeah, sometimes life can get tough. Y'all just stay prayed up. Cause baby. This how I used to cook with y'all. Y'all remember that? I used to drag y'all with everywhere. Ooh, baby, that's gonna be garlicky. We're gonna saute this a little. Now this spinach here, that was spinach that you know how you already open bags. Those bags already open. I'm gonna add some sliced cheese, some Kobe Jack grated cheese, and just to make it creamier. How many people love spinach? If you love spinach, put a 1 in the chat. If you do not love spinach, put a 2 in the chat. But I'm gonna tell you, this recipe here gonna change your mind. Want that spinach taste. So I just add a little salt and a little pepper. But if you do not like spinach, you can make spinach dip. You won't even taste the spinach because it'd be so creamy. Oh. So first of all, we're gonna turn it off. Then we're gonna sprinkle some cheese on top because we're gonna put this in the oven. Just a little. Remember, they already got a lot of. Oh, this thing heavy. Boom. That's what we're gonna try the spinach dip with. Right out the box. Who wants some? Woo! 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 There you go. That's all you need, baby. That's all you need. It's still hot. Y'all see the smoke? Mm. 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 Baby, yum. It's so creamy. Y'all rate that. Drop a rate in there. From 1 to 10, how would y'all rate that? Mm. 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 Yum. Mm. That's good, y'all. Mm.